BBAI stock analysis. This is for Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. Look, I've been in the game for 5 years. I've done 41,000 videos, so I've seen what's working for me and what's not, especially now with BigBear AI. I mean, I can tell you one thing is that it's absolutely delivering, right? Like I was waiting for a previous long side prediction here, which absolutely did deliver. And let me show you the before actually, like just so I don't think that I'm lying to you. Here's of the already delivered ticker. Example there was made 9 days, 10 days ago, and let me show you the before of this. Just made yesterday, right? 19 hours ago. So with all that to say, post market was already 380. So the only thing that was gonna make me buy was a shift and a double break. And today we absolutely freaking did that. And it's a guaranteed plus 0R, you know, still hasn't delivered yet. So that's why it's a break even at most. It's waiting, and I do have a lot of freaking previous receipts here. BBAI as well. So if you want to learn how to make your 5-10K per month trading, then just click the first link in the description and get my free email.